ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Pose, left break, quickly restart. Moving up down on the inside is Viva Andres. Cuts Diamond in between horses. Then comes Alpha Alianza. And on the outside is Dancing Rags, Absolute. Then down on the inside is Yes. Patron Racing second last, while Isa Pa is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Viva Andres. Yes, is running by the rail. 4 lengths for the back. In third comes Pose left, and on the outside comes Alpha Alianza, Cuts Diamond, Absolute. Patron now rushing up down on the inside. Dancing Rags, while Isa Pa is still running at the tail of the field. And on the fourth turn, we have Yes, this time by about 4 lengths. Viva Andres, Alpha Alianza moving up now to take second, and here comes Patron now starting to put big strides. We have Yes, followed by Alpha Alianza. Patron rushing up now on the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Patron moving up now on the outside, and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. Yes, drives back in second. Alpha Alianza has 75 meters. A strong contender this coming Triple Crown Series. Patron second. Yes, Alpha Alianza. Close, Isa Pa, Dancing Rags, and Cuts Diamond.
Magaling si Pat.